When prestige meets elegance with a modern touch, you get a home that feels endless here in Macon, Georgia.
I ain't sure you're the right one for me. Didn't I see you involved?
Step inside and let the dining room make a first impression that lasts a lifetime.
I need someone that. Wait a minute. You need someone that. We got the phone and we call. I can turn the crib to a mall.
Bright, open, and inviting, this living room was made to entertain and unwind in style.
But I don't mind if we try it.
You ain't gonna find a drug like this.
This kitchen is straight out of your favorite HGTV episode. It is spacious, modern, and full of possibility.
And I got to go with you. It's so paradoxical. It seems irresponsible. Just calling, I got to go with you.
I don't think that I would.
Every bedroom in here offers space, light, and luxury. And the ensuite? It's your personal pampering retreat.
I would leave. You plus me equals good. See.
Think the basement is just storage? Think again. A massive living space designed to feel like home all over again.
Beside you, and I won't be found.
Completed with a full kitchen, a bedroom, and a laundry room that impresses even the most organized homeowners. Step outside in the backyard retreat that blends natural beauty with elevated design.
It is a long way down and up.
124 Westchester Drive in Macon. If you're interested to see the amazing custom-built kitchen, contact me at 478-442-1429.
You got it all. You got it. Yeah, run it back.